In this video, I'll show you how I made the supernatural horror thriller, and it didn't start like that. I wanted to do a psychological thriller with the trope of the building with the window light on, but it evolved as I saw pictures and liked some of the creepier stuff. So it started off with this building. I loved the shot, menacing a little bit, and then I changed up the colors to be a bit more creepier and different. I like that darker blue, so I added the text just to see how much space I have for the face, and I was looking for expressions and good faces. On the way I saw creepy skulls and I was like, oh, maybe we should turn it into a horror cover. And when I found few of them, I added them to the Photoshop and started experimenting. This was the original pick and it won, but I ended up testing 3-4 different designs. I really like this one because it's not just a skull, but it's from Mist, so it just looks even more supernatural. Experimenting with colors, tweaking the text to give it more space. Then I tested a different one, a real skull, just grittier, and it also looks really nice. I like it. I always look at it on a small thumbnail too. You can see at the bottom of the window how I keep the small view in there and keep checking it. I added some faces and was trying them out, but I really like this one. She's kind of creepy, like we don't know if she's worried or she's the aggressor in the story. And I keep tweaking, but in the end I decided to go with the skull. She's gonna get used on a different cover in the future, and you can see me experimenting, tweaking colors, looking for some more. I tried this silhouette, but these silhouettes, I don't know, they don't often sell on many covers, so I decided to go with the skull. And between these three, I decided to go with this one because I really like that Mist. Then I kept tweaking the title. I picked Room 13, added some pink color because pink is trendy, and it even on horror book covers, so it fits this cover nicely. Adds a dash of color, and you can see me messing with the text, tying it in with the visual, and just experimenting more. Added some blur for some mysteriousness, more supernatural stuff, and this kind of simple design, but there was a lot of experimenting going on, and it took me about an hour to make, and it will be available as a pre-made book cover on my website at rockingbookcovers.com. You can buy it for 70 or 75 bucks, and to get more of these you can follow me at rockingbookcovers.com.